Hi guys, welcome back to our Ringa Beauty channel. In case you are new here, welcome, and in case you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being loyal and for always sticking around, man. It means a lot. It means a lot. And in case you are a viewer and you haven't subscribed, manze, we are not here to give free content. Make sure you click the red button below and you may subscribe so that you can join the family. So today I have a simple makeup tutorial to show you guys, for my beginners out there and my beautiful ladies out there. So if you are interested to see how I turn from this to this, keep on watching. I decided to do a voiceover for this video, but apparently nimeamka my voice ikiwa cracky. I have a bit of a cold, but please don't mind. So the first step of achieving this simple makeup tutorial was applying light hair like strokes on my eyebrows, following the exact shape of your eyebrows. This is going to be easy, especially if you have already groomed your eyebrows. As you can see, it was so fast, quick and easy. And the second step was applying those two different types of concealer. I started off with the darker shade. Sorry, remember the darker shade, we usually apply it at the quarter start of our eyebrows so that our eyebrows can start off naturally. And then I took the lighter shade to apply it on my eyebrow bone area so that our eyebrows can pop and look more what's it called, clean. Yeah, in this video I'm going to do less of speaking and you guys are going to do more of watching, so stay tuned. And on to our third step, it is applying a lighter shade of concealer on our eyelids. We are going to use this concealer as our eye primer. Remember, whenever you are applying concealer on your lids, ensure that that concealer is a lighter shade so that your eyeshadow can become more pigmented. The fourth step was applying eyeshadow on our lids. So I went with a warm orange color at the corner of my eyes. I went building the color pole pole. Usienda kama umejaza brush yako too much color, itakuwa so hard. It's rather you part kidogo kidogo, ukienda ukiblend, because the more you apply kidogo kidogo, the more you are able to blend it off vizuri. So guys, Aki, please do not mind my voice. Do not mind my voice. I am really trying. So I went with the lighter shade of yellow so that I can what's it called, so that I can remove all the harsh lines, all the orange harsh lines, and make my eyeshadow to look very smooth and clean. That's what we do. Always use a lighter shade of eyeshadow to blend off your main eyeshadow. it gives you a smooth and a blended effect, as you can see. In this step, I was showing you that my angled brush has no product on, so I didn't go and add sikuenda nika add any concealer. I used it the way I left it before. So I used the products zenye zilikuwa zimebaki hapo after concealing my eyebrows. So remember, when you are cleaning the front part of your eyes, don't go with more products. Just use the products that were remaining on your brush so that your eyelids can be blended vizuri. Too much concealer tena utaharibu story. So just use the concealer that remained on your brush while you are concealing your eyebrows. I went ahead and used my eyeshadow brush just to clean off that concealer so that it can look well, well blended. I went with that white, I don't know whether it is white or cream nude color, and gently patted it on my front part of my eyelids. Remember, you are not brushing, you are gently patting as you build the color. Remember, you should always take your previous eyeshadow brush just to ensure that everything is blended. As you can see, I was just I was placing nikama a cut crease. Ikai nikama I am forming a cut crease, and you can see how beautifully it came out. Only correct grammar, I don't know, but I don't care. I am just eager to finish this process. So I went with a shimmery champagne color, even though nasikianga ikiitwa. It is sort of a silver cream color, and I patted it with my hands. The reason why I used my hands is because it is easy to apply more of the shimmer color with using your finger than a brush. Because using my finger, I have all the control that I need. So that's what I did. And then after that, again, I took my eyeshadow brush, as you can see, and I cleaned off that color to make sure that it is smooth and that my eyes look crisped. So a friend of mine requested me to do an eyeliner tutorial. This is not that video. I will do a separate video where I will explain everything in details and the reasons why. So kuna siku bro yangu alisikia nikifanya voiceover. You remember that video nimefanya ya nywele? If you haven't watched my 4C natural hair tutorial, you should go and watch. I think it is in that video he had me doing a voiceover, and he told me that June, sorry, it's Warenga for you. He told me, June, you need to learn English. You need to learn to speak English fluently. So yeah, I'm in the process. Here is a secret for y'all. This is what I do when I want to get that sharp eyeliner. You just go over with your concealer and clean off the edges of your eyeliner. Once you do that, your eyeliner will look so sharp hadi mtu ashindwe kwani mkono yako inakuanga specific aje. So yeah, that's what we do when we want to achieve that sharp eyeliner look or eyeliner game. I put on my falsies off camera. Kwenge ukweli, it is so hard to do your falsies on camera, but I will try, because this is another video that has been requested. I'll try to see how I will in my, not, I won't promise my next tutorial, but in my tutorials to come, I'll find a way how to put on lashes on camera live. Anyway, I went with my moisturizing cream, that is Nivea. It is very approved by not just me but by many other makeup artists. And after that, I went ahead and applied my primer. Oh my god, nilikuwa na make sure imeingia ndani ya uso, ingia ndani vizuri. As you can see, I was really enjoying this process, I'm not gonna lie. One fact or thing about me is that I never go with too much foundation. Too much foundation inatumanga nisikia ni kama nasikia joto kwa uso. I don't know. And many times you will find my eyes on flick, but my face haikuangi na haikuangi na foundation. I'm just that kind of a person. So after applying my foundation, I went over with my concealer. It is in the shade Cool Tan, just to highlight the areas. Unaona nilipaka kidogo kidogo. I didn't want to go crazy. I am not a fan of foundation or applying foundation and the whole process on my face. I just do it as a tutorial for you guys to learn and to know what is needed. Remember, without blending, your work is useless. If you can't blend your eyeshadow, blend your highlights, blend your foundation, ooh, you're going to get a very weird looking effect. So ensure you always blend, blend, blend. And after blending, I went with my highlighter and highlighted the tip of my nose kidogo. I don't go crazy with highlighter. So I went over with that same highlighter just to highlight my brow bone to make it pop. And on to our final step, it is lining our lips. This is another video that has been requested. This is not that video. I will do a separate video because it is something that needs to be explained. So hapa nilikuwa nafanya tu haraka haraka so that I can get this over and done with. So I went ahead and used my Absolute gloss. I love this gloss because it usually stays on for a long time and it is sticky, it is glossy. I just love it. So this is the end of my look. I went ahead and did my setting spray off camera. To my beginners out there, make sure you follow the guidelines I used over here and subscribe. Bye.